Irregular verbs الأفعال الشاذة. Write, wrote, written. We write some notes. I wrote a letter to my friend yesterday. He has written a novel. Go, went, gone. I go to the gym every day. He went shopping last night. They have already gone. See, saw, seen. I see him every morning. He saw the movie last month. We have never seen that. Eat, ate, eaten. He eats in the morning before school. Ahmed ate a big meal 2 hours ago. I have eaten my breakfast. Do, did, done. They do their homework after school. He did well last year. The task is done.